Many accounting systems have come and gone off the market purporting to be accounting made easy. But there's a problem with this because there's a limit. The main function of any accounting system is to present financial reports or statements to accountants, possible investors, bank managers, creditors, consultants, etc. They need this financial information to be in a language that they understand. Now, if TurboCASH seems obscure at first, this is probably because you're not familiar with this language. And you don't need to be fluent in it, but you do need to understand the basics of the dialogue. So TurboCASH is a generally accepted accounting practice compliance system. This is known as a GAAP system. Now, the world is moving from a GAAP system to an IFRS system. We're kind of in the in-between stage, and TurboCASH will handle both. So right, let's just get down to a couple of principles that will put you in the right direction. First is that we run as a dual entry system. This is something that's happened for the last 300 years, and it's a principle that with every transaction is entered, it's a debit and a credit. Now, before you run for the hills, just take some time to understand exactly what we mean by debits and credits. So any transaction is based on the principle of give and receive, and it should receive something of equal value in return. So business transactions are always written up and entered into two accounts. And the principle is that you debit the receiver and you credit the giver. Debits on the left, credits on the right. So here's a simple example to illustrate debits and credits. On the 1st of March, your business sells goods to the value of 100 to a customer, Tom, on credit, and issues a sales invoice for the transaction. So that is debit Tom's account and credit the sales account. Now you'll notice that we have an asset Tom for 100 and we have an income of 100. Now on the 20th of March, Tom gives us the money to the value of 100 to the business, and the transaction is then credit Tom's account, debit the bank. And you'll now notice we have Tom's account brought to a balance of 0, we have an asset of 100 in the bank and an income of 100 in sales.